Good afternoon, my friends. You are on ATSI channel. Today we are going to explore Redmi. You will learn how to change call ringtone on Redmi. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Open settings and tap on sound and vibration. Select ringtone. Choose ringtone you need. System ringtones. Choose online ringtone. Choose local ringtone. Default ringtone. Good. You can also change ringtone. You can also change the contact ringtone on Redmi. Open contacts, tap on contact you need, then tap here. Choose ringtone you need and tap on apply. Good. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was useful for you. Don't forget to watch my other videos and like them. Wish you best. Bye bye.